In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 big projects that are going to be dropping this May. Let's dive right in. The first project I want to be going over is Children of Ukiyo. This is going to be a 10,000 collection with a mint price of roughly 0.08, and it is going to launch sometime in May. What really caught my eye with the project is the artwork, and as you see here from the sneak peek, with all the clean transitions, the art is very nice and clean. It has that anime style, and of course this is meta with Azuki popping off as well. He mentioned that he was really inspired by Azuki and he knew that they are very community focused. So that really inspired him, and that's really what he wants to build, and he is reiterating with his own project. The Discord is currently open to public, and as you see here, they have a channel that introduces the team to them, and the owner docs himself, and he clearly stated his background, saying he was an entrepreneur, an investor, and a partner with multiple different companies and projects. And as you see here, he listed all his different backgrounds. So this guy has a prior track record, and he's proven himself in the business world and Web 2. So I'm excited to see what he's able to do within Web 3 and with this project. He also has his profile picture as an Azuki. The next project I want to be going over is Megami, and this is a 10,000 profile picture collection made by none other than Naoki Sato. He's a YouTuber and was the previous artist that worked with Pokemon, and as you all know, Pokemon was a huge success. Looking at the artwork here, you could see that this is very clean, alongside has that anime meta, and it will do insanely well in my opinion, just because of his prior background and obviously who we worked with. They currently have a contest right now who could design the best card, and as you know, this follows that Pokemon card sort of style, so you know there's that correlation there, and it will attract a huge audience because of, like I said, his prior background. So this is definitely something to keep your eye on. Even though it's a 10k collection, he has that prior track record, which will most likely make the collection sell out, so I definitely recommend to keep this on your radar. The third project I want to talk about is Tigerbob by Gossamer Rosen. She is the artist behind this project, which is a 1000 supply, and she is also one of the artists behind Moonbirds, which obviously we've seen the success with that recently. She's also one of the members that hold a proof pass, and like with Moonbirds, that has done exceptionally well within the market. This is going to be a whitelist mint only, like Moonbirds was, and they have a current pre-mint site that you could enlist with for the whitelist. It is going to be a 0.25 mint, and it's going to mint on May 25th. I highly recommend you guys sign up multiple wallets for this, because we've seen the success with Moonbirds, and because she's a proof member, I'm pretty sure she'll have the backing from that community, since they're all whales and all big shots in there. So I highly recommend you guys sign up for this. To stay more up to date with projects I'm going to be talking about, make sure you follow my Twitter, and have a great day.